Several denominations in KwaZulu-Natal have joined hands to fight hunger. Initially, food relief consisted of hampers of basic food staples and hygiene products. But because of the growing demand in several communities across the province, it has now gone online. The partnership between the church and NGOs has crossed all 11 districts.
A loose coalition inclusive of many different churches who are not necessarily members of the KwaZulu-Natal Christian Council or the church leaders group came together, a steering committee was formed, and ever since then we're meeting at least once or twice a week in order to formulate a response.
Beneficiaries are screened by the collective NGOs. Recipients then receive an SMS with a voucher number to purchase food to the worth of 410 Rand.
Internals are on the ground screening families and they are really kind of cross-referencing and filtering their beneficiary lists to ensure that those correct families are identified. We are then able to have an assessment report and identify how many text messages have been made and delivered to those families with those numbers. We have their name, ID numbers, as well as their mobile contact numbers, so we're able to cross-reference and ensure that same family from the list received that hamper, or SMS, and then from there we're also able to see who has actually redeemed the vouchers or who have not.
One of the groups is focusing on communities comprising of foreign nationals who are unable to access formal relief.
We compile lists from them and community leaders, because we have refugees from different countries, like Somalian, Ethiopian, Congo, Burundi, Rwanda, and So we've been compiling lists from those communities all over in KwaZulu-Natal, and we've been working hard day and night, helping those people.
It's a godsend to those in need.
My dad doesn't work, and so is my mom, obviously, at this time, but then we're trying our best to live, because with every help that we could get from people, we're able to work with it.
I just thank God about this voucher, because you see this life like a lockdown, everyone is down. But either I get this, some few money, I think it's going to help me, so I'm so happy so much.
To date, nearly 700,000 response hampers have been distributed in the province. More than 30,000 families have been impacted. Jade Lee Paulser, SABC News.